Hey guys, what's up? Welcome to the channel. Today we're going to talk about the airbags on my 2009 Silverado. So they're Mcgaughys helper bags, and I kind of wanted to show you guys what difference it makes when you're using them when you're hauling a trailer. So what I did was I hooked up my trailer, and I wanted to show you how far the back of the truck sinks if you have 5 pounds of pressure in them, which is the minimum amount of pressure that they take. You're always supposed to keep at least 5 pounds in it. And then I wanted to show you all the way up to 90 pounds of pressure. So it's going to show you kind of the difference if you have these, which I do recommend if you're towing at all to put these on your truck. But here's what it looks like. Alright, so as you can see, there's a ton of difference between 5 pounds of pressure and 90 pounds of pressure. Generally, when I'm hauling that trailer, I keep about 50 pounds in it. That seems to keep it pretty level. But I wanted to show you guys the very bottom, or the entry, all the way up to the max amount of pressure. So if you have a lower truck, I definitely recommend getting these. I'm going to list in the link below a couple different options for buying these. I'm going to list the listing for like your earlier model Chevy trucks. So mine obviously is a 2009. So from 2007 to 2014 or to 2013, it's going to be the same part number, which I'll list below in a link to where you can get them. And then I'm also going to link the earlier models. So from like 99 up to 2006, even the 2007 classics. So guys, if you like this video, please give it a big thumbs up. If you have any comments or suggestions, drop them in the comments down below. And subscribe to see that next video.